Thank you for all the efforts during the campaign. And thank you, please, I beg you to spread your understanding. Talk to your parents, uncles, and relatives that this president cares. Cares dearly for the economic benefit and welfare of this country. We will set up centers across the country to promote alternative economic empowerment and quality of life. Yes, people are anxious about the palliative. Palliative is not the solution. It's just a temporary relief. The long-term prospect of the nation and the benefit is for us to re-engineer the finances and the economy of our great country. That, I assure you, I will do.
We've all come here, first, Daddy, to appreciate you and to congratulate you formally for your success in the election, because you made the job easy for us by being a man of stellar performance, a man of result, a man of impact. By investing in yourself and investing in people for over 30 years. And so it was easy for us to go out there to market you to the Nigerian people during the last election because of the investment that you have also made before time. And to congratulate you that we were not let down, and to thank God on your behalf for the victory that we had in that election.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the press, and good evening to everyone listening out there. My name is Aloy. I'm a legal practitioner and special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu and the indigenous people of Biafra, which are the subject matters of this press briefing and public announcement today in Enugu State, Eastern Nigeria. The press briefing is in the form of a public announcement, as I stated before. I have reduced it in writing on my letterhead because of the sensitive nature of the message it bears. And the press briefing and the public announcement is going to be exactly to the script. So now, therefore, I'll read from the script I have prepared, so I'll stay within context. This is a public announcement stroke press statement issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through my humble self, Aloy Ejimako, his special counsel, and is issued to the general public and all media institutions. The subject matter of this public announcement is that by direct order, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hereby ends once and for all and finally all sit-at-home, including the Monday sit-at-home and any other proposed sit-at-home presently in process. This public announcement, as written, bears the unedited verbatim instructions containing a direct order personally issued by Nnamdi Kanu in his own handwriting on 24th July in the year of our Lord 2023, through my humble self to Mazi Simon Ekpa, instructing him to, quote, desist from calling for any seat at home henceforth, and to make a public announcement on his platform, media platform, to the effect that he, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa, is in receipt of a direct order from him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to cancel any pending sit at home in place at the moment. And also that he, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has, by the same order, authorized me, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, to issue a press statement if he, Mazi Simon Ekpa, fails to make this announcement on his platform. For avoidance of doubt, this direct order to Mazi Simon Ekpa was personally handed to me by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when I visited him on this 24th of July, 2023 at the headquarters of the Department of State Security Services in Abuja, Nigeria, DSS. Later that day, I tried to contact Mazi Simon Ekpa via his WhatsApp number, but could not reach him until 1:44 a.m. the following day, on the 25th of July, whereupon I snapped the direct order as written and sent to him on WhatsApp. He thereafter acknowledged receipt, and we spoke briefly on it and exchanged a couple of text messages.
This morning I listened to the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors on television, and I think we can marry part of their demands with our discussions here. They made it known that on May 19, 2023, which is this year, they signed an MOU with federal government after meeting with the Senate and House of Rep Committee on Health, and that within that period and now, nothing has come out of the MOU. So I want to add that we make appeal to them to resume work and possibly work on how the agreement reached as contained in the MOU could be settled within them. They made known of 3 demands, sir. That the request for one-for-one replacement policy for healthcare workers, that's a policy. That they want immediate payment of all salary arrears.
It is therefore very, very important. Very, very, very important that we do all within our powers to make them come back to work. Because if we don't do that, then we all know that health is life, then there won't be life. Or our lives will be in great jeopardy. So I align myself with all that is said in this motion. I align myself to the intendment of this motion, because it's very, very, very important that we get our doctors back to work. Otherwise, we'll be in problem. It is said over and over again that as we speak, there's a disease outbreak in some parts of this country. Now, do we now add salt to an open injury? No, we wouldn't do that.
The resolutions of the Senate, as met today, will be implemented with seriousness and also taken into consideration in the ongoing strike. We also hope that the resident doctors will listen to the plea of the Nigerian Senate as met today to end this strike, particularly taking cognizance of the humanitarian aspect of it, the number of lives that are lost. Their profession is generally to save lives, not to lose lives. So we from the Senate are appealing to them that yes, while the ongoing negotiations are being made, that they should consider and suspend this strike in the humanitarian interest for the benefit of all Nigerians, even for the benefit of their families.